Now, dear students, example 4.12. See figure. A wooden block of mass 2 kg rests on a soft horizontal floor. When an iron cylinder of mass 25 kg is placed on the top of a block, the floor yields steadily and the block and the cylinder together go down with an acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. What is the action of the block on the floor? A. Before and B. After the floor yields. Take G equal to 10 meter per second square. Identify the action-reaction pairs in the problem. Now see, first think about this first case. Now in first case, the block is at rest on the floor. So weight of the block in downward direction, that is mg, and normal reaction r, that is vertically upward. And here the block that is in equilibrium means these forces are perfectly balanced. So we can write r, that is equal to mg, that is 2 into 10, that is 20 Newton. Now in second case what we do? Here a cylinder of mass 25 kg is placed on the block. So the floor yields. So entire system move in downward direction with acceleration a. So here the situation is like this. Mass of the cylinder capital M, of the block small m. This system move downward with acceleration a, right? So here weight of this system in downward direction, that is m plus m into g, and the normal reaction by the floor on the system in upward direction, that is r dash, and resultantly the system moves downward with acceleration a. So we can say, as per Newton's second law of motion, the net force, that is m plus m into g minus r dash, that is equal to mass into acceleration. So here make r dash as a subject of equation, take m plus m into a on left hand side. So m plus m into g minus m plus m into a, that is equal to r dash. Here take m plus m common. So we can write m plus m into g minus a, that is r dash. Now substitute the value, small m, that is 2, capital M, that is 25, g, that is 10, and acceleration that is given to you 0.1. So if we substitute all this value and then after if we solve it, the answer will be 267.3 Newton. Now see here, we have to identify, here there is a mistake, identify the action reaction pair in the problem. So in first case, the force on the floor by block, if we say that is the action, then force on block by floor, that is reaction. Or if we say force on block by floor, that is action, then force on floor by block, that is reaction. So in this way we can say any one force as an action, then the another that will be reaction. In the same manner, we can take force on the system by the floor, that is action, then the force on the floor by system, that is reaction. Or we can say force on the floor by the system, that is action, then force on the system by the floor, that is reaction. So in this way we can identify the action reaction pairs. Clear to all of you?